Your support tools have no idea when a customer just started a conversation, and that silence is costing you. The Zendesk conversation created webhook fixes that by firing a real-time notification to any system you choose. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Here's the most common mistake developers make: looking in the messaging webhook section for the conversation.created event. It doesn't live there. Standard webhooks handles conversation lifecycle events. Messaging webhooks handle real-time chat through Sunshine conversations. These are two completely different systems. Standard webhooks manages the conversation's lifecycle: created, updated, closed. Messaging webhooks handles real-time message delivery through Sunshine conversations. Before you build anything, make sure you know which architecture your use case requires. Before configuring anything, make sure you have admin access to Zendesk Admin Center, a publicly accessible HTTPS endpoint, a plan for signature verification, and logic that responds within 12 seconds. On trial accounts, you're capped at 10 webhooks and 60 invocations per minute. Plan around this if you're testing. Step 1. In your Zendesk Admin Center, go to Apps and Integrations, then Webhooks, then Webhooks again. This brings you to the list of existing webhooks where you'll create a new one. Step 2 is where most people go wrong. When creating a webhook, you'll see 3 connection types. Choose Zendesk Events, not Trigger or Automation. This choice determines whether you can subscribe to conversation lifecycle events, and it's permanent once saved. Step 3, give your webhook a descriptive name, paste in your endpoint URL, and note that request method and format are already fixed to POST and JSON for event-subscribed webhooks. You only need to supply the name, URL, and an optional description. Step 4, in the Event Subscriptions dropdown, select Zen event type.conversation.created. You can also add conversation.updated or conversation.closed if your use case needs them. Each event fires independently across web widget, WhatsApp, and mobile SDK channels. Step 5, choose your authentication method. None is fine for local testing only. API key adds a name value header for simple integrations. Bearer token using an OAuth token in the authorization header is what you want for production. Use bearer token. It's the recommended approach. When a conversation is created, Zendesk sends a JSON payload with a flat structure containing the conversation ID, source channel, and the associated ticket ID. These 3 fields are what you'll use to route, log, or trigger downstream actions in your system. Your endpoint is public, which means anyone can send POST requests to it. Always verify the HMAC SHA-256 signature. Extract the timestamp and signature headers. Concatenate timestamp plus body. Generate the HMAC using your signing secret. Base64 encode it, and compare it to the header. Skipping this step is a security risk. If you'd rather skip building and maintaining webhook infrastructure entirely, eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk, uses your knowledge base for contextual replies, and achieves up to 81% autonomous resolution. Setup takes minutes, connect your account, train on your data, and choose your mode. No webhook development required. You now have everything you need to set up the Zendesk conversation created webhook. If you want real-time conversation processing without the infrastructure overhead, try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.